Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really great. So you guys might have guessed by now that for this entire week I'll be posting videos each and every day. Like I posted it on Monday, so like there'll be a video each and every day till the next of Tuesday. Yeah, probably next of Tuesday. So let's just get started with today's video. I'm super excited because I've been doing this for the first time, like posting videos each and every day. I know it's going to be a bit tiring, but yes, only for you guys I am going to do this, like posting videos every single day. Let's get started with today's video. You guys requested me to do a skincare routine, so here I am with my skincare routine. You guys are going to laugh when you're going to see this video, because I seriously don't do anything much for my skincare. I'm not going to go through like the I'm not going to show you how I do it, what I do it, because I don't actually do a lot of things. For me, I think the most important things to have a really beautiful skin is, first of all, know the type of skin you have. So like I know that in summers I have combination skin. This part of my skin is like normal, and this part of my skin, which is called the T-zone area, is really oily. So I know that if I apply any kind of moisturizer to my face, I am going to get pimples. So, and in winters my skin is like super duper dry, so I need to have a moisturizer, otherwise my skin will start cracking and I'll have those crack marks all over my face. So yeah, the first important thing is to know the type of skin you have, and we know that with seasons our skin changes. So this is my skincare routine for winters. I have a different skincare routine for summers. So in winters, these are the things that I take care. I know that it is not necessary that things that I do will suit you as well, but yes, the processes that I use, the way I do it, might just help you to identify your skincare routine. So I've already talked about knowing the skin type. I know my skin type in winters is like super duper dry, so I need to have a moisturizer. I was using Nivea cold cream till now, and currently I'm using this Richfield Blueberry Radiance Skin Radiance moisturizer. This is an amazing moisturizer. It keeps my facial skin moisturized like for till the time it is on my face. Like seriously, till the time it is on my face, the moisturization is there, and the skin immediately feels soft, supple, moisturized the moment you apply this. So this I need a moisturizer in winters because my skin is super duper dry. So yes, I use a moisturizer which is like this. Before this, I used to use Nivea cold cream, which was also working fine for me, but since I got this, so I started using this and I started liking this, so I stopped using Nivea for the time being. But I know I'm going to go back to it, because the more wintry it is, no, the more cold it is, the more drier my skin becomes, so the more moisturization I need. Second thing is, do not overdo. Like seriously, do not overdo anything. Like even if for cleaning we are using some kind of product, it has chemicals in it. And for me, I just wash my face with warm water every day, massaging my face in circular motion, so that any dirt which is on my skin comes out with that circular motion. Because when you apply warm water on your face, it opens up the pore, and you just massage your face in circular motions and all the dirt will come out. You don't even need a face wash, and I don't use a face wash. Like seriously, I do use a face wash like this. I use Nivea refreshing face wash, but you are going to laugh. I use it only when I feel my face is dirty. It could be like once a week, twice a week, once in 2 weeks, or 3 weeks maybe. So it all depends upon how I feel my skin is, and only then I use face wash. And not because I have to use a face wash. Wash not because I have to wash my face. I am using anything on my face, because see, I am at home, then I go to office in a car. I'm in office. I don't actually practically get dirt on my face, so I don't have to necessarily wash my face with a face wash. But yes, if I think I have a lot of makeup on it and I have just removed it, so I feel like washing my face with a face wash, I only then wash it. Otherwise, I think that washing your face multiple times with a soap based thing tends to extract all the moisture from your face, thereby leaving it really dry. And obviously you don't need a dry face in winters. Who needs it? So don't overdo it. Do not wash your face with a face wash until you feel that there is dirt on your face. And just for the morning thing, like just get up in the morning, wash your face with a warm lukewarm water and massage your face with circular motions with your fingers. Everything is going to come out, trust me. Only if you have oily skin, like if you have skin like me, obviously you can follow this routine. But you have oily skin and you think that there is excess oil on your face that needs to be cleaned, and without a face wash you cannot do, obviously go ahead. But not every skin type needs a face wash every single day. No. And you have to first identify the skin type and then identify how many times you're going to wash your face. So yeah, that's the second thing that I do for taking care of my skin. The third thing is, sometimes there might be products that doesn't suit your skin, but obviously you would not know unless you have actually used those products. So what happens is, sometimes I have started using a product and that product is giving me breakouts, I have pimples. The first sign of pimple is, before it appears, it will start paining. That area will start to have a bit of pain, and you'll know that okay, this here I'm going to get a pimple. So there are a lot of home remedies that you can go for. You can apply Upton, you can apply honey, you can apply anything. For me, if I were now before, if I used to have this kind of thing, I used to wash it multiple times with water, like lukewarm water, and not with a face wash, and try to keep it as clean as possible, that area, so that the pimple doesn't appear to be of that enormous size. Nowadays, when I feel that okay, I have a pimple somewhere coming around here or here, I use Just Herbs rejuvenating elixir facial serum. It does spot treatment. Like, I had a pimple coming up right here, so I just applied it 2 days. For 2 days I just applied this particular serum on that spot, and it subsided then and there, not becoming a big size pimple, which obviously we don't like. So it's always better to cure the thing immediately when it starts, rather than getting those full face and then like working on them. So if you have skin like me, which is dry in winters, you can always follow these steps that I do to take care of my face. I do not wash my face with face wash every single day. I apply moisturizer every time I wash my face, because I don't want my face to be dry. And if I think I'm going to get a pimple, like if I feel that a pimple is appearing somewhere, I use a facial serum, which is Just Herbs rejuvenating facial serum on that spot to subside that pimple. That's all I do. There are no fancy products that I use. There is nothing else that I use to clean up my face every single morning or every single night. Yes, there's just one more product which I like to mention, because obviously we wear some or the other kind of makeup on our face, and it is really important to remove that makeup from your face. If you're not removing makeup from your face, it's like the harshest thing in the world that you're doing to your skin. So every night when you go to bed, no matter how tired you are, no matter how tired I am, make sure that I am taking each and every bit of that makeup from my face. For that I use Maybelline Clean Express Total Clean Express Eye and Lip Makeup Remover, and and this is just the thing that it just does the thing for me, and so I don't need anything else apart from this. So these are just the 4 products, which out of which these 3 are like optional products. I don't use them every single day. Give this video a thumbs up. Also comment down below. This one is like I use it every single day because I need products that you use to take care of your skin. Yeah, that's how I take care of my skin. And keep it simple, keep it limited, do not overdo. Keep the products to a limit, because every product has chemicals in it. Just remember that, and you'll be sorted if you keep it to the minimum level. Yeah, that's all the tips that I can give you guys on skincare. And yeah, hope you guys like this video. If you did so, do give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already done so. Also comment down below and let me know your skincare secrets. Just subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. You can also follow me on all my social medias, they will be in the bottom bar below. Also there's a giveaway going on. Just click on this icon that is flashing right here, and you can just go through the video, and if you feel like, just enter the giveaway. Take care. Bye bye.